Hello and welcome to my very first blog. I'm very excited and little bit nervous. Today we are going to make the most dynamic cocktail, the Italian Aperol spritz. To make the Aperol spritz, we use Aperol, Prosecco and soda and a slice of orange. The secret of making Aperol spritz is little bit different. Fill a wine glass with ice. Then add 3 part of prosecco and then add 2 part of aperol and topping with 1 part of soda water and garnish with 1 slice of orange. The best time to drink an Aperol spritz is typically between 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's low in alcohol and refreshing, perfect before dinner. In Italy, it traditionally enjoyed during aperitivo, the pre-meal. Don't forget to make subscribe my channel.